recording. Very important chapter in case you are taking science. It is in, I think even in 8th it was there. 7th also this current was there.
Yes, sir, but it was very basic.
So started from 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then engineering if you take electrical engineering or electronics, some part will come. Current, electricity. Somebody should give me na current. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, there are two branch of physics in electricity. एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ. There are two branches. For charges. First, if charges are at rest, then that pardon? What? If charges are at rest, then that branch of physics is called as electrostatics. Please put off the video. Vedant,
What, sir?
put off the video, Vedant. Vedant, put off the video.
Off the video. वीडियो ऑफ कर दे.
अरे सुनने रहा है वेदांत. वेदांत.
Sir, you can right click him and stop video on your own.
No, so then he cannot put on. No? Where is he? Okay. If branches are at rest, if charges are at rest, then that branch of physics is called as electrostatics. Have you heard about electrostatics in lower class? Electro means electron, that is charge. Static means rest. So if charges are at rest, then that branch of physics is called as what? Say, what is that branch called?
Electrostatics.
Electrostatics.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yes, if charges are in motion, then study is called as current electricity. Right, two things. When charge rest means electrostatic, charges in motion, then current electricity. Copy. So by common sense, I got idea. I require charge and that charge should be in motion. Then only I can say it is branch of physics called as current electricity. Copy this, then we'll see who will provide this current electricity or moving of the charges. If you are done, please tell me. Can I clear it?
One second.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, how many types of current are there? Have you heard about types of
Two types of current.
which two type? DC current and AC
DC
current.
current and AC current.
Okay. DC current means direct current.
Direct current.
So there are two types of current. First is called DC, that is direct current. What is direct current? Which changes the magnitude or does not changes the magnitude?
Sir, it does not change the magnitude.
Flows in one direction or two direction?
Flows in one direction.
Only in one direction. So can I say it is current of constant magnitude? It is current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. Flowing in one direction. Now wait, what is meaning? I'm explaining you by graph. Suppose this is time axis. Anybody who has any doubt, please keep on asking. This is current. When time is 0, current is here something. Then throughout it is same. Then can I say it is DC current? Time 0, it is some value. Time 1, again some value. Time 2, again same value. Time 3, same value. So can I say it is constant?
It's constant. Yeah.
That is called direct current. Not necessarily positive, it can be negative also, but only in one direction. If this is time axis and this is current axis, current flows like this, then also it is constant. So not changing direction and magnitude, then it is called as direct current. So it is current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. Have you followed this?
Yes.
Right answer. Direct current. It is the current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. It is current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. Then draw that diagram. What is meaning in one direction and constant magnitude?
सर फॉर एग्जांपल अभी अगर हम लोग ने करंट बैटरी से पास किया तो फिर इट विल बी डायरेक्ट करंट.
यस. अभी वो कौन देगा डायरेक्ट, इसके बाद बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
पहला तो मीनिंग समझ रहे हैं ना हम लोग. डायरेक्ट क्या है, ऑल्टरनेटिंग है. डायरेक्ट मतलब कांस्टेंट करंट रहेगा विद सेम डायरेक्शन सेम मैग्नीट्यूड. हु विल गिव विल कम आफ्टर दिस. List of the chapter for the final exam. If you know, please send me after the lecture.
Sir, a full book is coming.
Acha, they are not deleting any chapter?
No, sir.
Okay. Because I have to plan revision as per that, na?
Yeah, sir. Sir, if there are any changes in the portion, then we'll let you know.
Okay, chalega.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Okay. The direct current is current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. Second is called alternating current. Any other name for alternating current?
AC.
It is also called as AC. the current which changes its magnitude and direction is called as alternating current. It is represented as shown. Diagram बना लो. This is current. This one is time. This is called alternating, like crest and trough is called alternating. It is obtained by mains. Mains means from hydroelectric power station. So it is obtained from mains.
Sir, it usually carries very high voltage, no?
It is current, no? So we are talking about carries high current.
I didn't understand the graph.
First, write down full. Have you done trigonometry, sine, cos, tan? That way of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
then I'm explaining, because without that you will not understand. I will explain you how it is. Just complete till end, then I'm explaining.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Everybody has done?
So, yes, sir.
अभी एक ग्राफ कैसा है, I'm explaining you in 2-3 minutes. See, alternating current, ये आप हायर स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ने वाले, उसका फॉर्मूला रहता है I0 sin omega t. I0 means maximum value of current. Because do you know what is sin 0? This you know, 0. Sin 30 half, this you know. Sin 45 1 by root 2.
Yeah,
Are you knowing
yes.
all this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is sin 60?
Yes, sir.
Root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. This you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I divide time into 4 parts, 0, 1/4, t by 2, 3t by 4, and time is t. T is called time period. And this quantity is 2 pi by time period. It is called angular speed, 2 pi by time period. So I'm just substituting. When time is 0, this t. What is 0 into anything? Is it 0? 0 into anything is 0. Zero into anything is 0.
Yes, sir.
So why you're not speaking? 0 into anything is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is sin 0?
0.
Zero.
So 0 into I naught, is it 0?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So time 0 apna current is 0. First coordinate we got to plot that current. The second coordinate I will explain. And this is not there in 9th, but because you are asking, I'm explaining so that you are conceptually strong. Again, same formula, but this time is t by 4. So I is I naught, sine that letter omega is 2 pi by time period into time is t by 4. So will I get pi by 2? Will I get pi by 2?
Yes.
I naught sine of dt cancel. Can I say I got pi by 2?
Yeah, sir.
Pi by 2 means 90 degree. 90 degree means 1.
Yes.
1 into anything will become maximum. So this is that I naught. So when you join this way, you'll get graph. एक और आगे कराता हूँ, then you will
सर
understand.
ये थोड़ा ऊपर से अभी जाने लगा है.
नहीं, थोड़ा हेलमेट लगाओ ना. अभी खाली आपको नहीं मालूम है पाई बाई 2 मतलब क्या. मैंने क्या बोला, वो 90 डिग्री है ना. वो साइन 90 तो मालूम है ना आपको. 1 क्या नहीं मालूम है?
Yeah. Sin 90 is 1.
1. So I0 into 1 means I0 or not? Tell me.
हाँ.
So what exactly is I0?
When time is t by 4, तो अपना करंट कितना है? I naught. ये कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया ना.
So,
हाँ, somebody said something.
so what exactly is I0?
I0 means maximum value of current. Changing means somewhere it will be maximum, somewhere it will be minimum. I0 is maximum. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. ऐसा जनरल इक्वेशन लिख दिया.
Okay.
अभी देखो फिर से. When time becomes t by 2, उसको क्यों ऑल्टरनेटिंग आया वो समझा रहा हूँ. ओमेगा इज 2 पाई बाई t. साइन t by 2, ये 2 कैंसल होता है. pt कैंसल होता है. हैव यू हर्ड एंगल रेडियन भी रहता है? In measurement chapter, there are two angles. Plane angle is radian, solid angle is radian. Are you remembering? Plane angle radian, solid angle is radian.
Yes.
So 180 degree is plane angle. वो solid angle में उसको pi radian बोलते हैं. हाँ, ये याद रखने का आपको. 180 डिग्री मतलब कितना रेडियन? पाई रेडियन. सिंबल हो.
सर ये एग्जाम में ऐसा कुछ आने तो नहीं वाला है ना?
देखो, आप तो दो टाइप से पढ़ाई होता है. एक मैं बुक को रट डालू, फुल मार्क लेके आऊँ. एक मैं बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ, बुक के अलावा भी कुछ पढ़ू ना. एसी का मतलब क्या होता है वो समझने का कोशिश है.
हाँ सर.
That doesn't mean it will come in the exam. So if you are studying only as per the book, then you will get 100 out of 100, but you will never be extraordinary. So this we are doing something so that you understand why it is called alternating.
Yeah, sir.
180 degree is equivalent to how many radian? Pi. 180 degree is how many radian?
Pi.
Pi. So my current formula, if it is for alternating I0 sin omega t, then omega, इसको omega बोलते हैं, omega 2 pi by t, time is t by 2, et cancel, 2 cancel, pi radian means 180 degree. What is sin 180? That you don't know. Sin 180 is 0. So if I join, ऐसा ग्राफ मिल गया ना मुझे. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
That's why we
Yeah.
have drawn this way. So when you go ahead, it
Yes.
will go inverted. Now I'm not explaining you more, otherwise bounce.
Yes.
So one part will be crest, other part will be trough. इसको sine curve भी बोलते हैं. What is this curve called?
Sine curve.
Sine curve.
Okay.
Sine curve means what? For some period positive, same half period negative. उसको sine curve. So what is current electricity? Branch of physics where charge is in motion. How many types of current are there?
2 types. AC.
Which are they?
DC and
DC and AC.
AC and DC.
DC means what? Constant
Alternating.
magnitude and same direction. AC means what? Changing its magnitude and direction obtained from mains.
Sir,
Yes.
in alternating current, you wrote it is obtained by mains. What is mains?
Main means not the batteries, but it is source of electricity like hydroelectric power station, thermal power station, nuclear power station. They are mains. Okay. So they generate and they send to us. So in our electrical devices, if you have seen, ऐसा symbol रहता है. इसका मतलब हम लोग AC वाला current ले रहे हैं. That is called mains.
And sir, all of the sockets that are there in our house, the thing that we use to charge our devices, that all runs on AC.
No, our devices are DC. That's why we use adapter. That adapter converts AC to DC before we are using. Mobile we are charging.
Yeah, right.
तो मोबाइल का वो चार्जर थोड़ा वजन वाला रहता है ना.
हाँ.
It's heavier, no? It's not very light. So
हाँ.
inside that there is one device called transformer, and one device attached to is called rectifier. It will convert this AC into DC. That's why it is heavier. और ये iron का बना है.
हाँ हाँ
Iron
हाँ,
is heavy.
ट्रांसफार्मर रेक्टिफायर.
Transformer बोलते हैं इसको. हाँ. This all you will study in 10th थोड़ा. Then in 11th and then not in
हाँ
11th.
सर, हम लोग को रोबोटिक्स में ये थोड़ा सिखाया
Okay.
था.
See, you have to always improve, increase your paradigm ना. Textbook तो सब पढ़ते हैं.
हाँ.
फिर नॉलेज धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा ना. सी सोर्सेस ऑफ डीसी करंट. हु विल प्रोड्यूस डीसी करंट? Cell.
DC is produced by cell.
What is that cell? Either primary or
Secondary.
secondary. So DC current is produced by what? Cell.
Cell.
No doubt na, DC current is produced by cell.
Yeah, sir.
So DC current is produced by cell. Cell is made up of what?
That
It consists of a vessel which
Chemicals.
contains electrolyte
electrolytes.
in which
and-
two electrodes are immersed. है ना?
हाँ.
Okay. DC current is produced by cell. In cell, which energy gives you the electric energy?
Mechanical.
No, chemical.
Sorry,
Cell
chemical,
current
yes,
chemical
yes,
है ना? In cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Any doubt?
No.
हाँ. So depending upon the process, मतलब अगर reversible है तो secondary cell होगा. Only chemical is converted into electrical तो primary cell बोलते हैं. So whenever you are getting current, then chemical energy is converted into which energy?
Chemical energy is converted into electrical.
Electrical energy.
Can ask you as filling the blanks. In cell, when we are getting current, chemical energy is converted into which energy? Electrical energy.
Electrical.
This process is called discharging. What is this process called?
Discharging.
Discharging. Okay. It's called as discharging of cell. Write this much. So in cell, when it is giving current means getting discharging, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. I feel one question they will definitely ask. Right. Understand it, don't think of textbook. Textbook का तो पूरा कराऊंगा मैं, थोड़ा extra भी बताऊंगा तो then only you will have that feel ना why you have joined me.
Yeah, sir.
And this time target is everybody should score full mark. I have given order of ice cream in bulk.
Yeah, sir.
आपका आइसक्रीम पेंडिंग है, भव्य देता हूं मैं. खुशबू को देखो फुल आया 40 out of 40. So I already have sent the ice cream to her. But भव्य आपको आज नहीं तो कल भेजता हूँ. What time you sleep? आपने एड्रेस नहीं दिया ना?
सर नहीं चाहिए सर.
नहीं नहीं, पर मुझे देने का है ना.
सर नहीं, ऑफलाइन क्लास जब भी खुलेगा तब हम
अच्छा.
लोग साथ में खाएंगे.
हाँ, सबको दे दे.
ओके ओके, सबको देता हूँ फिर. But then you all have to promise you will score better marks, if not full.
या सर, पक्का प्रॉमिस.
Okay. Once you are done, please say.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Oh, sorry. Sir. Don't leave class. I will take attendance by taking photograph and post on the group.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, completed. Oh, now see. Construction of cell. It consists of a vessel containing electrolyte. This is vessel. Inside this we have electrolyte. Two electrodes are immersed in the electrolyte. Electrodes. When it is connected by wire, then current flows through the wire externally. That's why it behaves like cell or a device which is source of current. So I can say it consists of a vessel containing electrolytes. What are electrolytes? Through which current can flow, no? It
Yes.
consists of vessel containing electrolytes in which two electrodes are kept immersed as shown above. Right, this. एक नोट लिखा दूं अच्छा नॉलेज के लिए. ये पूरे को वोल्टामीटर भी बोलते हैं. It is also called as voltameter, not voltmeter. Also called as voltameter, this device.
So cell is also called voltameter.
Entire thing is called voltameter.
सर ये टाइम देवांश को भी 40 मिला.
देवांश बताया नहीं, चुपके देवांश. देवांश इज देयर.
हाँ सर, आज ही पेपर आया.
अरे
Like,
ऐसा नहीं
पेपर
देवांश
नहीं
यार.
आया.
हाँ.
अभी पता नहीं, ओरली बोला मैम ने. अभी पता नहीं मेरा ही पेपर था कि दूसरों का.
मतलब आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि अपने को 40 आएगा. पेपर आया तो मुझे एक बार बोलना प्लीज.
हाँ सर, लाइक पेपर नहीं आया पर मैम ने ओरली बोला तो मेरा 40 लिखा
तो
मैम.
अच्छी बात है ना. दैट मीन्स आवर ब्लेसिंग्स आर विथ यू, नो.
So we got a marks today.
You all please post your mark personally to me later on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, on WhatsApp or Zoom?
नहीं WhatsApp, not on Zoom. On
Okay,
WhatsApp.
sir.
हाँ.
So my PTM is at 5:45.
So what is their PTM?
So I'll get the marks mostly.
अच्छा. At 4:45 they will give you.
Yes, sir.
अरे ये तो कौन सा 4:45 तो हो गया बेटा.
पीटीएम में नहीं मिलने
Sorry,
वाला है.
5:45.
अच्छा चलो.
पीटीएम में नहीं मिलने वाला है.
5:45 को अपने को एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट है, फुल मार्क.
सर नहीं मिलेगा पीटीएम में.
क्यों?
सर मेरा होके गया अभी पीटीएम. मैम ने मार्क्स नहीं बताया अभी तक.
अरे
So leave it then.
completed. Completed. Then two types of cell
Sir,
will
just a
do.
second, drawing
Yeah, आराम से. I will not rush. I will take more lectures so that you are comfortable.
Yeah, sir.
Shamek has gone where? टिटोल is out.
सर शादी में गया है.
सर शादी की
इतना जल्दी शादी है उसका? अभी क्या उम्र है?
अरे नहीं नहीं सर रिलेटिव की शादी.
हाँ, मुझे लगा खुद का शादी है और हम लोग को कार्ड नहीं दिया.
हाँ सर, वही अगर का रहता तो हम लोग को पहले बुला था.
ओके, फिर हम लोग उधर ही लेक्चर लेते ना जूम पे, और आइसक्रीम भी फ्री.
क्या सर डन.
ओके. Types of cell. How many types of cells are there?
तो और ये प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी.
There are two types of cell. Primary cell and secondary cell. You are in primary or in secondary now?
सेकेंडरी.
So primary वाला याद है क्या?
हाँ.
फर्स्ट में क्या किया था, सेकंड में क्या किया था, याद है?
थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर ऊपर से.
थोड़ा सर. That means our primary cell is like that only. बहुत दिन के बाद हम उसको याद करेंगे तो भूल जाते हैं ना थोड़ा थोड़ा. Only the illusion is remaining in our brain, memory is there.
Yes.
So this cell can be used for longer period कि थोड़े
Yes,
दिन
sir,
बाद
it
भूल
is.
जाएगी.
Because the reaction take place is an irreversible reaction.
तो reaction तो takes place. That is okay.
लाइक वो चार्ज नहीं हो सकता है.
That means you can't restore that reaction, na?
हाँ.
Do you know Baba Black Sheep?
Yes.
Tell me what is Baba Black Sheep वाला poem?
That.
Baba black sheep, have you any?
Arre, oh,
Yes,
superb.
sir.
And what about this one? Open your mouth.
Johnny.
Johnny, yes, Papa. So we remember few, but we don't remember all. So primary cell is like this. It cannot be restored. But once it is asked after 10 years, what is force? You'll say, Ma. What is force?
माँ.
बाप नहीं है, माँ. तो ये बचपन का प्यार नहीं है, ये बचपन का फॉर्मूला याद रहेगा ना, सेकेंडरी में पढ़ा है ना.
Yes.
A plus B the whole square. Are you remembering? A square plus
Yeah,
2
sir,
plus B square. ये कभी तक याद रखेंगे? खाली 10th था.
नहीं सर, लाइफ टाइम.
लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रहेगा. तो सेकेंडरी में जो पढ़ते हैं वो हम लोग को बार बार आता है, इसलिए भी रिमेंबर. प्राइमरी ओनली 1-2 साल तक रहता है, भी फॉरगेट. सेम वे प्राइमरी सेल. This primary cell gives current by having reversible reaction or irreversible reaction. It has reversible, irreversible. Only it is getting discharge but not getting charge. So I can say like this, primary cell. These cells produce current in which irreversible reaction produces electric energy from chemical energy. So these cells produces current in which irreversible reaction produces electrical energy from chemical energy. Write this much, then I will clear the space to explain further. Can I clear it?
Sorry, yeah, sir. I was speaking on mute.
Okay, others have done. Everybody has done. Hello, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Can I say these cells cannot be recharged?
Yeah.
Cannot be
Yes, sir.
charged. Hence, they cannot be reused. They cannot be reused. They produce weak current. Means you can't have very huge current जो टीवी चालू कर देगा ऐसा. They produce weak current. They produce weak current. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Different types of primary cells are simple voltaic cell, comma, Leclanc cell, Leclanc cell, comma, Daniel cell, comma, dry cell, etc. Right. Different types of primary cells are simple voltaic cell, comma, Leclanc cell, Daniel cell, dry cell, etc.
सर ये प्राइमरी का ही है ना?
हाँ, primary cells are of different type depending upon electrolyte used, vessel used. Simple voltaic में glass vessel use होता है.
So what is after voltaic?
Simple voltaic cell, Leclanc cell, Leclanche, Leclanc cell. They use mostly copper vessel. All are primary. That means they convert chemical energy into electrical depending upon vessel taken to accommodate the electrolyte. There are different types of primary cell. Actually speaking, they all get ionized. So this ion ka motion produces current. Completed?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
So Leclanc cell uses copper vessel.
हाँ. Because voltaic cell में glass there was error, na? Chances were there it could break very fast. So the different scientist Leclanc, he modified that vessel. Shall I clear now? Yes?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Second one, secondary cell, or it is also called as accumulator. What is the name of secondary cell? Also accumulator. It gives DC current or AC current?
This gives AC current.
No, beta. AC current is from
Ah,
generating.
sorry. No. Every cell gives DC current only.
Yes, please remember this. It gives DC current only. So secondary cell or accumulator.
Sir, is this one rechargeable?
Yes, the this one which we are using in our car, in motorbikes,
Mobile
they are all
phone.
rechargeable. Means you can use for longer period of time till the density of liquid used does not reduces beyond some value. So it can be recharged again and again. So secondary cell. It is a cell which, while producing current, in bracket, that is discharging the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, while charging electrical energy. See, in mobile we charge, na? And then throughout day we use without connecting the charger. So when you are charging, that means you are giving current, which is getting converted into chemical energy. So while charging, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Write this many points first. It is a cell which, while producing current, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Done?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Done.
They can be used for longer period as they can be charged again and again. They can be charged again and again. They can produce low as well as high current. In cars we require high current, and in toys or mobile we require low current. It can be useful to give both low as well as high. When many, where after what?
No.
They can be used for longer period as they can be charged again and again. They can provide low as well as high current. There are two types of accumulator. First one, lead or acid accumulator. Please don't chat because I'm writing, I'm explaining, it disturbs my schedule. You speak out. Lead or acid accumulator. Second, Fe or alkali accumulator. Right.
Sir, it is what is written after longer?
Longer period.
Yeah, sir.
Longer period.
So what have you written as the first type?
Where? Which one? Where?
Lead.
Sir, even lithium polymer battery are
The first type of accumulator.
First,
First type of accumulator.
lead,
Yeah.
LED, lead or acid. Lead or acid. There can be many types. This was standard. Now it is modified. Lithium. Till your book was written, those cells were not developed.
yeah, sir, done.
Okay. अब आज के लिए class, so that those who are having lecture they can reach properly. Difference between prime. I want everybody should revise and come in nice class. Orally, I will ask. Difference between primary cells and secondary cells. Please make 2 columns. Primary cells, secondary cells. Euro asks, Euro school every year they ask this difference for 2 marks. First, in these cells, chemical reaction is irreversible. In these cells, chemical reaction is reversible. Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Second, during discharging chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. But during just complete till this, then I'm clearing it again space. During charging, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. First 2 points of primary cell written. Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
One
Sure.
second, sir. Could you
Yes.
revert it?
No, I have not
Just one
cancelled on
second.
anything. No.
Oh, yeah, right.
Third point. It cannot be.
On the right side is the continuation.
The second point ka continuation is here at the top.
Okay.
It cannot be recharged. It can be recharged. They produce only low currents. Fourth, they can produce low and high currents. They are light and cheap. They are heavy and costly. So first part of the chapter, still cells we have completed. Next class we'll do full current related, then symbolic notation, then potential, then resistance. That means in 2 more lectures, I'll be able to complete the chapter. One more point you can write down. Its internal resistance is high. Its internal resistance is low. It's completed.
So 6 points, right?
Yeah, that's all for today. Done?
1 second, sir.
Yeah. And just wait for 2 minutes. I will take the snap.
Sir, I need to go really quick, sir. I have my PTM is due.
Who
So
is
ma'am
this?
is calling.
Huh?
Sir Vedant.
Vedant, okay, you can leave.
Sir Vedant.
Vedant, you can leave. Shall I clear this?
Sir, 1
No,
minute.
sir, wait.
Yes, done. Hello.
Sir, just 1 second.
I think done.
Done. Yes.
Oh.